hearts and hands feel free. For in the well-held hands of freedom that we come from, we find love. Our first song is an original composition by friends, teachers, and a few children like Prasad in the back there. It has come to mean a lot to us, a loving, familiar place which accepts us for who we are, and this song comes alive when we sing it. We would like to share it with you. Blue, Blue Sky. Our next few songs are from Mother Nature and from Mother Earth. These songs hold us, nourish us, and keep us free, warm, and happy. What does it mean to dance in the rain, walk in the sunshine, and build a rainbow bridge?